Hello students and welcome to today's class. Today we will see the topic of the world. But before explaining it, please open your workbook on page number 2. This will be the exercise number 2. In the exercise A, you have to look at the pictures and answer these questions with your own words. So please do it. And when you finish, let's move on to the exercise B. Here I'm gonna play an audio and you must repeat each word. Here goes the audio. Please repeat.
Unit 2, Track 14.
A beach, a bridge, a canal, a castle, a cathedral, a church, a fountain, high-rise buildings, a hill, a library, a mosque, a museum, the ocean, a park, a parking lot, a shopping mall, a square, a statue.
Alright, now we can explain the topic. Here we have a beach. This is a beach where you have the ocean, you have sand, you can come here in summer on vacations. Then we have a bridge. This is a bridge. As you can see, is something that connects one place to another. For example, here in Reynosa, we have Puente Brancos. That will be the most famous bridge that we have. Then we have a canal that is the same as in Spanish, a canal where you have water, right? Then we have a castle. In this case, this is a castle, a place where kings and queens used to live, correct? Then we have a cathedral. This is similar to a church. A church is a place where you go to profess your religion. Normally, your Catholic or your Christian religion. Okay, this is a church. And a cathedral is very similar, only that it is much bigger. Okay, but here you can go to a wedding, to a quinceañera. Okay, so this is a cathedral and this is a church. Then we have the high-rise buildings. Buildings in Spanish is edificios. So high-rise buildings are buildings that are very, very tall. In Spanish, this will be rascacielos. All right. Then we have a hill. This right here is a hill. And then we have a library. Library is the place where you can go and read some books, but you cannot keep them. Okay. In Spanish, library is biblioteca. Okay. No librería, biblioteca. Okay. Very good. Then we have a mosque. A mosque is similar to a church, only that this is for another religion, right? And then we have a statue. A statue is a monument that you can make about something or someone. For example, this is one of the most famous statues in the world that is in Brazil. Okay. Then we have a museum. That is a place where you have different pieces of art or of history that are interesting, right? Then we have the ocean, where we have all the water, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Then we have a park. A park is a place with many green spaces like trees and grass, where you can go to walk, run, walk your dog. Mhm. And then we have a parking lot. A parking lot is where you park your car when you're going to a store, for example. For example, if you go to a supermarket like Soriana, you park your car in the parking lot. So you put it here and then you enter to the supermarket. Then we have a shopping mall. A shopping mall is a place that has many stores. For example, we have a stores for clothing, then we have a jewelry, and in some occasions we have a cinema, a movie theater. Okay, so we have a lot of stores in one place. Here in Reynosa, we have Plaza Real, Sendero. Those are shopping malls. And finally, we have a fountain. Well, this is a fountain that is basically used for decoration in a house or in any other place where you have this water. For example, in Parque Cultural, we have a fountain, right? Very good, guys. Now, if you have any question about any of these words, please send me a message. If you didn't understand something, let me know. Don't forget to take notes for the exercise number 3. Very good. Now let's practice this. Please open your workbook on page 3 and this will be the exercise number 4. Here you have to translate these words to Spanish. For example, the first word is a beach. And in Spanish it means una playa. Like this, please continue with the rest of the words. When you finish, continue with the exercise B. Here, you have to list the things from the nearest to the farthest away from your house. Remember that nearest in Spanish is lo más cerca and farthest away in Spanish is lo más lejano. Okay, así que van a acomodar estos lugares de lo que esté más cerca de tu casa a lo que esté más lejos. For example, if there is a park near your house, you can write it here. Park. Si hay un parque cerca de tu casa, lo puedes poner aquí. But if there isn't a beach near your house, you can write it here. Por ejemplo, no hay playas en Reynosa, entonces no están cerca de tu casa. Así que lo escribimos aquí. Beach. Alright, like this, write the rest of the words here. And when you finish, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.